here's the restroom. Garage. Downstairs. Here's the kitchen. That's where your fridge will go. Your stove, your dishwasher. All right, turn around here, and it's a bookshelf. Living room. Over here is your backyard. Okay, we're back in. That's from the going upstairs. There's the hallway. There's your room off to the left, right when you walk upstairs. Closet. And there's another room right across. Walk-in closet. Pretty fair size rooms. Okay, so here's where your laundry will go. Okay, here's the master bedroom. There I am in my gym clothes. Walk-in closet, restroom, and then a view from the restroom. Here you go out to the fourth bedroom. Pretty nice sized rooms. Not too small, not too big. Walk-in closet. Upstairs bathroom. Okay, now we go out. And this is walking downstairs. You got some cabinet space down here. Or some, whatever you choose to put down there if you want to climb. And then this is the view going downstairs. Restroom again, and we're back where we started from.